Hello, welcome to this video tutorial, where we will show you how to create different users in your LabsMobile account. This is a very useful feature when several people want to access the same account, so we can register each person with their access and assign the privileges or functionalities that will have that user. First, we access the main screen or dashboard with the administrator or main user. By default, the platform always creates an administrator user that is the one who has access to the account from the beginning and has the same email address as the username of the account. This administrator user is the one who will have access to manage the users of the account, registering and modifying the user's data. Let's start by accessing the top menu of my account and the Users section. In this screen we will be able to see the list of users. At the beginning is empty, as you can see. To register a user, it is necessary to click on Add New User. Next, the new user registration form will appear. It is necessary to provide all the information such as full name, access email, password, and the privileges that you want to assign to this user. In the contextual help of the privileges field, appear the 5 privileges with their description. It is possible to add one, several, or all privileges. Finally, add the user and you will see him or her in the list of users. You can edit an existing user at any time and change, for example, the password or privileges. Finally, you can delete any user in this same list. Comment that from the moment you have created a user, you will be able to access the account with the email and password created. And you will have a user configuration section where you can change the password, 2FA access method, notifications, and other fields that configure your user. The user will have access to the screens, notifications, and data allowed by the privileges with which the user has been created. All users of an account will have access to the account data, settings, and balance. On the other hand, if you wish to create users with different credit balances, or access to separate contact data or sendings, it will be necessary to create other accounts or sub-accounts. That is the main difference between users and sub-accounts. This way you can adapt the LabsMobile platform configuration to any need, structure, or shared access. So much for the management and registration of new users or access to a LabsMobile account. We hope it has been useful, and we encourage you to watch other video tutorials to get the most out of SMS and LabsMobile platform. Greetings.